So what seems to be the problem?
Well, my stomach, it keeps on turning. Everything's hurt. Sorry.
Oi, you can't stop your batty Jordan from clap while you chat to me.
I'm sorry.
Sure, people can be so disgraceful.
I think I have diarrhea. I keep
Think?
Yeah.
Think? No, darling, you're more than think. You expire. So well on there. You really coming in my room for come telling me say your batty Jordan about shot? Hey? You really coming here for come stink up my room? But you could have faced. You could have bright. Listen, darling. Me no deal with them the area there. Them the area there. Them the body part there. Me no deal with it. Me a no batty surgeon. Right? Me no go down. Me only stay up. Anything na eye level with me, me no go near it. Me no see it. But this year really. So you come in here. What you want? Nappy? Eh? You don't know what supermarket there? Eh? She come in here for come stink. Oi! Stop clap. This is no celebration. Stop clap up your body. Miss Poppy. Stop clap. Right? When you go out there, you can't clap up yourself. But you gonna... what you really coming here for? Eh? For come stink up my room? Like you not think me have sense of smell? You not think me have feelings too? Oh, listen. All you need for do drink some minty. Right? Go drink some minty and that should be fine. And you see in future, anything wrong there about you, it can even be a big tour. No come in here, right? Me not deal with them sitting there. Right? Come out, man.
Aren't you going to give me anything for this?
Me then just give you advice. Go drink some minty. Come out and start pop up my room. Sure. Batty coming like one thunderstorm. People your face. Sure. You can't deal with them people, you know. Sure.